You wanted to know how to get tick boxes or checkmark boxes or check marks at all in front of bullet points. So by default, when you drop in a rich text element and you start editing with bullet points, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you just make them bullet points, then you would like to have some other symbols here. This can be done using FontAwesome and some CSS Hack. So there are several positions on the page where you can inject CSS. In this case, here the additional CSS of the widget is possible way, or if you have several widgets on the page with rich text where you want to have those tick boxes, then it would be more intelligent to put it here on the page settings. So I go to the page settings, I add additional CSS here, and I have the CSS that we need in the clipboard already. Just paste it here. This code snippet can be found in our knowledge base. We will make a link to that code snippet in the description of the video. So this one loads the specific font from FontAwesome and defines that all bullet points have this specific character. So let's do it here, and you see we have tick boxes. If you want to have other characters in front of that, you see here that there is the FontAwesome Unicode. And you can go to FontAwesome, and whenever you check a specific icon, click on icons, and let's say you would like to have this one as bullet point, then you can see the Unicode, which is F042. You go back here, and it's F042. Hit on save, and we have that specific icon. So this is the way to easily have bullet points here. And if you want to have the very same bullet points across your whole project and never ever edit the page CSS again, you can go to the project settings. So you go here to the project settings, you click on styles, and you paste the thing here. So on each and every page that you newly create, the bullet points then will have those tick boxes.